channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my first product review. So this company actually reached out to me and wanted to see if I would do an honest review of their product. And obviously I checked the company out and the product. I knew this item was something that would benefit my life as a mom and keep my life a little more organized and simplified. The company name is Mollie Ollie, and their product that they sent me is the Mimmo Caddy. And I also thought this product is in line with what my channel is about, and obviously my viewers and you guys. I feel it would benefit you guys if you're also a mom, or even if you don't have to be a mom to use this product. This is what I love about this product. You can use it however you'd like, or for different things that you want to store. You can use it as a diaper caddy, you can use it as a arts and crafts bag, as a essential oils tote, so many different things. That's why I wanted to review this item and test it out myself. And so I've had it for about 2 weeks, and I honestly have nothing but praise for this product. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so without further ado, let me go into detail about what this item offers and all of the features it has. Alright guys, so this is the Mimmo Caddy Mollie Ollie sent me. This is a pretty sturdy tote that you can carry, and if you have a 2-story home like we do right now, it's so convenient to just store things in here, and you don't have to worry about going up and down the stairs. So right now I use this thing as a arts and craft and a diaper caddy as well, because my boys are not potty trained yet. We'll be working on that pretty soon, but anyways, I'm just gonna show you how I have it organized. And on this section I have pretty much some books to read to them, some stickers, coloring books, and different things to keep 2-year-olds entertained. And I have some coloring items. I have some colors, crayons and markers in here, some more books on the side, and in this little section I keep some Play-Doh, some little cards with shapes, and some other cards to different learning activities. And then it also has this little front pocket. I keep this little puzzle thing in here, and obviously here I have their diapers and their wipes. So yeah, this also has different pockets. You can obviously put different items in here. Right now I don't have anything in there. We have some in the back as well. And then what I love about this thing also is it has this little zipper thing on the side. And you can keep different items, smaller items in here. It has a little elastic band that you can put items in here. Right now I just have their butt cream, but you can definitely store like nail clippers, like a nose Frida or medicine in here, different little things in there. If you have little babies, or even if you have, like I mentioned, you can use this for different things, you guys. If you have essential oils, you can put them in here. So yeah, this thing is pretty functional, you guys. So I'm gonna start taking everything out to show you how you can organize this. Alright guys, so this is how it is when it's empty, nothing inside, and as you can see, it's holding its shape and form, which is something that I really love. And you can just tell the good workmanship they put into this item, and it's premium quality. Another awesome feature that this product has is that it's soft and chemical free material, so you can just organize this however you'd like. And I think the way I have it right now is something that I might keep it like. You can always do it like this, and just keep bigger items here. works like that. And you can just play around with it to see what you'd like, what you prefer the best. Mollie Ollie was kind enough to give my viewers a 10% discount code. If you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourselves, you can use the discount code. I'll have it down below in the description box. And also make sure you go check out Mollie Ollie's website. There's also going to be a way that you can redeem a 20% discount if you go check out their website. So you can use this caddy in so many different ways, and you don't have to be a mom to use this. You can use this as a essential oils organizer, as a cosmetic and skincare bag, knitting essentials, or as a road trip tote, car seat organizer, a arts and crafts like I did, or as a portable nursing station. There's so many different ways you can use this, so you're not limited. You know, come up with your own ideas of how you want to use it if you're interested. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did, and also make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any future content. My channel is mainly about motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, and organizing. So if you are into that, I would love to have you join my family. Make sure you turn on that bell notification. It just lets you know when I post a new video. So yeah, I am gonna end it here, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video.